This is Canairi, a fresh air monitor.
Made to improve the indoor air quality of homes around the world.
Your home needs to breathe, so that you can breathe. We use our lungs, our home use windows. Actually, health authorities recommend airing out 3 times a day. But honestly, who remembers to air out every day? And how can you tell if the indoor air quality is bad? Let's scroll back 100 years.
Hammer this morning.
We're down by between 3 and 4 now.
We have a liftoff on Apollo 11.
Back in the days, mine workers used a canary to detect toxic air in the coal mines. When the bird fainted, it was time to get out.
Canairi works exactly the same way, but in your home.
A built-in CO2 sensor will measure the air quality of the room. If the air is unhealthy, Canairi will drop down until you open your window and bring it back to life.
Like most people, we love being outside in the fresh air. But modern life requires to be inside most of the time. Actually, we spend 90% of our life indoors. That's a crazy fact. But think about it.
You wake up, that's 8 hours. You go to work, you look at a screen for a couple of hours, you go home, you chill, you go to bed.
But why is it so bad being indoors?
A bad indoor climate increases the risk of asthma, fatigue, headache and sleeping disorders.
Opening your windows will refresh the air and restore the oxygen level again.
It's important to us that Canairi becomes a natural part of the modern home and not just another piece of tech you want to hide behind the sofa. And no, there is no app. But that doesn't mean it's not a clever piece of tech. Canairi is equipped with a CO2 sensor and an algorithm correlating to levels recommended by health authorities worldwide. It's made of recycled plastic and comes with a rechargeable battery and a wall mount. Smart on the inside, smooth on the outside. Easy to understand for both children and grown-ups.
Oh, well that's kind of clever, but is it really a tech product? No app, no digital display, no light. What about a jingle?
When it comes to behavioral design, simplicity is king. Don't agree? Well, listen to this.
Basically, the human brain reacts really poorly to written information or complex information. That is why we react a lot better to, for example, visual communication.
Canairi is tested on schools, offices, big families, and small families. Where are you gonna put yours?
Finally, we've done enough research and prototyping to bring Canairi to the market. Also, we got the design protected and the brand trademarked.
And we just won an international design award. Now we just need your help to put Canairi into production.
So open your windows, leave a pledge,
And bring Canairi to life.